The Hef-T-Pad from DiversiTech is designed to use as internal or external ground support for HVAC equipment. They're injection-molded pads made from recycled materials and are lightweight and easy to install for most equipment installations. These pads include a stabilization foot on their underside for extra support and stability, as well as a subtle texture on their top to help secure equipment and prevent sliding. They support up to 40 pounds per square foot. Hef-T-Pads are suitable for drilling and screw fastening of equipment, line sets, and electrical connections. They're an attractive neutral gray color with pad size and branding clearly embossed on the pad surface. And they're available in a variety of sizes in both 2-inch and 3-inch heights. Hef-T-Pads are made in the USA by DiversiTech, the world's largest equipment pad manufacturer, and include DiversiTech's lifetime limited warranty. Make your next install fast and easy with the Hef-T-Pad from DiversiTech.